Hello everyone. So my friend has a Bradford White Corporation model number RE12U6-1NAL water heater in his office bathroom, and it failed. It started leaking water, and I got to have the old one. The plumber let me have it, and so I started filming a whole video experimenting and trying to see why did it fail. And I find it absolutely fascinating that this is built into a popcorn tin. At least in the United States, they sell popcorn for the holidays as a gift in a big tin like this. And there's all sorts of pieces of foam, and taking the heating element out allows you to remove this. You get the main pressure vessel, a bullet bill, it looks like. And I found that the seal where they put these threaded inserts into the sheet steel housing, they weren't welded. And whatever method they used to seal them wasn't good enough because they all were leaking at different rates. And so I tried welding it, and then I was thinking I would epoxy coat the inside, but I did run out of time to continue this to its conclusion. I'll probably keep it just as an interesting piece of scrap, but I'm no longer going to be seeing how far I can go with this. I am going to just be stopping the project. But I had a very interesting conversation with somebody that came by the shop to buy shovels, where he was familiar with this industry, and he said that they actually coat the metal with glass. So it's like a vitrified enamel or something like that coating. And I noticed that a lot of that had actually cracked off. And so I was able to weld it, but the main reason why they don't have those actually fastened on is because they put that glass coating on first, then they add those to reduce steps. And so I believe that Bradford White is, if this ends up being a common problem, and please in the comment section below let me know if yours has failed like this. If that is the case, then I believe that Bradford White is using shoddy design because they need to spend the extra few moments to extra few steps to actually weld these in and then put the glass coating on the outside. Otherwise, this failed after only 2 or 3 years, which is just sad. Makes me mad. And I'll scrap most of it, but I'll keep the heating element just in case I could use it. But I figured I would document this so that anybody else looking up the Bradford White RE12U6-1NAL 2-gallon water heater would know some facts. And also this could be a place for other people to write down their experiences with this model. And maybe sometime in the future I'll be able to make a good quality water heater that I can sell from my shop. I think that would be pretty swell. Well, that was my repair research for this moment, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.